Are you looking for the best laptops for Adobe Premiere? If your answer is yes, then this video is really very useful for you. There are lots of products available to choose laptops for Adobe Premiere, with different prices, benefits and characteristics. I did hours of extensive research and read tons of reviews to compile a list of perfect products for you. I hope my research will help you to buy the right laptop for Adobe Premiere. To check the updated price and other details of those products, check the links from the description box. Let's jump into the video without any further delay. Number 1. Apple MacBook Pro. This has an Apple M1 Pro chip, a 10-core CPU with 8 performance cores and 2 efficiency cores, is a speedy laptop. This is great for creative professionals who need to do some heavy video editing or photo design. It's also perfect for Civilization 6 gamers that want to have the best gaming experience possible on a laptop. Its graphics are handled by a 16-core Apple GPU that is great for resource-intensive tasks. This, combined with the Apple M series chip, makes it one of the best laptops for Adobe Premiere Pro editing. In addition, it has up to 16 GB of video memory. Its graphics have metal support that is great for gaming and creative app performance. The CPU and GPU make it an excellent option for those who need to do some heavy video editing. This laptop also has 16 GB of RAM. This is great for people who need to store a lot of data on their laptops, or want to work on multiple projects simultaneously without any lag. This is great for multitasking as you can have many apps open simultaneously without worrying about slowdowns or crashes, due to a lack of memory space. This laptop also comes with an impressive 512 GB SSD. The SSD ensures fast data transfer rates and plenty of storage for your footage and other files. It offers 512 GB SSD storage. This is enough space for storing lots of files, but if you need more, there is the option to upgrade to a bigger SSD. Number 2. Razer Blade 14. This has an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX 8-core processor, which is the best you can get on a laptop. Combined with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, it will tear through Premiere Pro and other video editing tasks. Plus, that 100% sRGB screen is excellent for color accuracy when grading your footage. The CPU is clocked faster than the previous generation. It has a maximum turbo speed, giving it an incredible boost in performance that is great for video editing or playing games like GTA 5 on high settings. This is partnered with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, which offers excellent features such as real-time ray tracing, deep learning super sampling, and VRWorks audio. It also has a whopping 16 GB of DDR4 SDRAM. That will let you keep a lot of footage and projects open without having to close any programs or restart your computer. It comes with 16 GB of RAM, which is more than enough for most tasks. For those who need a lot of storage space to store large files and media projects, it has a massive 1 TB SSD, that's double the size of its predecessor. It also has a storage capacity of up to a whopping 1 TB PCI SSD. This will give you plenty of space for all your files, whether they be video or photo related. There is also a 1 TB SSD for lightning quick editing speeds with no lag time when starting the laptop, searching through files, or loading applications. Number 3. Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. This has an AMD Ryzen 5 5600H, a processor that is also good for Adobe After Effects and other intensive tasks. This has an AMD Ryzen processor, one of the best processors for Premiere Pro, meaning you can work on projects without any issues, and edit faster with this laptop. It has an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card that's powerful enough to run it, so everything will be smooth when using your software. It has a graphics card that will give you good performance when editing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. Its both CPU and GPU are perfect for Premiere Pro, and can handle almost any project you threw at it. This laptop also has a whopping 8 GB 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM, letting you have multiple applications open without slowing down your computer. With this much memory, you'll be able to multitask with ease while working on projects in Adobe Premiere Pro. It also has 256 GB M2 PCI SSD storage, which is good because you can store any files on it and edit videos without them taking up too much space on your computer like they might if you use a regular hard drive. It comes with 256 GB storage, which is also a good amount of space, and will let you save your videos, photos, and projects without any issues. Number 4. Lenovo Legion 5. This has an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor, which is an 8 high-performance core CPU. It's perfect for Premiere Pro users who need a powerful computer to handle large projects. Its processor is also partnered with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. This is a great graphics card for Premiere Pro users, as it will let you do some severe color grading and other video editing tasks without any issues. The laptop also has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card with ray tracing, which will give you excellent performance when editing videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. The CPU and GPU are perfect for Premiere Pro, and can handle almost any project you might throw at it. This laptop comes with 16 GB of DDR4 memory, which is excellent for Premiere Pro users. It will let you save and open multiple projects simultaneously without any issues. It also has 512 GB NVMe SSD storage, so that you can save your videos, photos, and projects without them taking up too much space on your computer like they might if you use a regular hard drive. This is a significant amount of RAM and storage for Premiere Pro users who need to save large video projects. The SSD will also let you start up your computer in seconds and will help with the overall performance of the laptop. Number 5. Asus VivoBook. This has an AMD Ryzen 7 5700 U8 core processor, which is an excellent CPU for Premiere Pro users. It has 1.8 GHz up to 4.3 GHz that will let you work on your projects at a fast speed. This processor is also great for Premiere Pro users who need to multitask, as it has a turbo boost feature that will let you run multiple applications at the same time without any issues. Its graphics card is the AMD Radeon Graphics, which will give you excellent performance for Premiere Pro. Its CPU and GPU make it a perfect choice for a laptop to use with Adobe Premiere Pro. It also comes with 16 GB DDR4 memory, so that this computer can handle editing without any problems. This laptop also has 16 GB DDR4 2666 MHz RAM, which is excellent for multitasking and running multiple programs at the same time. This will allow you to have a more productive editing experience while using Premiere Pro. It has a 512 GB NVMe SSD, which will allow you to boot up your computer much faster than a regular hard drive. This is great for editing because you won't have to wait long before Premiere Pro opens and becomes ready for. So that's all about the video. To get helpful videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for quick notifications. If you need more information about those products, check the links from the description below. Please comment below if you have any query about this video. Thanks for watching.